I'm here representing the Advanced Rocketry Club and our 2 senior design projects that we have going on here. So in the club, we've got 2 competitions that we compete in every year. It's the International Rocket Engineering Competition down in Texas, where we launch rockets to 30,000 feet and deploy scientific payloads. This year, we're designing out a payload to take air samples from 20 to 30,000 feet, measuring the gas composition, as well as growing microbes from that layer of the atmosphere to see what's growing and where they came from. So that payload here will go in the upper body of the rocket, and we'll take samples through the air ports on all 4 sides of it, pass it through a filter, which will catch the microbes, which will then be taken out after the flight and grown on petri dishes to investigate what we can find up there. Our secondary competition that we compete in is the Collision Propulsive Lander Challenge. It's a multi-year competition. This is our 2nd year in it, where we are designing out our Primark lander to hop up to 50 meters, hover, and then come back down to the land controlled. We're designing it out to use methalox, which is liquid methane, and liquid oxygen as propellants. So that we have designed out Horus. This is our first liquid rocket engine designed by the club, which will produce around 1,000 pounds of thrust and be the main primary power source for the Primark lander.
This is a pretty good diagram of what it's going to look like. So we have liquid oxygen, liquid methane. Those are fed through pipes with nitrogen gas. And so those go through the lines, meet at the engine. The ignition happens with off gases from the liquid. They go through these pipe into the engine, and then it ignites, explodes, yada, yada. And so what the electrical engineering team did on this project, on this diagram, you can see there's like pressure sensors, temperature sensors, all that down the lines. And so our job is to make a control box that does valve control and sensing. Then we also worked on the graphical user interface to display that data.